Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. An expression of who you are. Seek yourself and be yourself, and the right lover will come again. For when you are yourself, you're authentic and receptive to what's divinely yours. Being someone else for an intention is denying yourself. And if you deny yourself, so will your match. For true love is an expression of who you truly are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. Right now, I'm grateful for a new part coming in. I'm grateful for a scenario that happened, and I'm very grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.